Hello students, let us read this question. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So in this question we have given two numbers and we have to check which of the following numbers are co-prime numbers. So let us first understand what do we mean by co-prime numbers. So we can say that if the common factor between two numbers is 1, then such numbers are called co-prime numbers. So if two numbers have only one as their common factor, then we call such numbers as co-prime number. So let us consider the first example. First we have 18 and 35. So 18 and 35. Now let us first find out the factors of 18. So factors of 18 are 1 into 1, 1 into 18, then 2 into 9, then 3 into 6, and 6 into 3. Similarly, factors of 35 are 1 into 35, then 5 into 7, 7 into 5. So we can see that the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, and factor of 35 are 1, 5 and 7. So we can see that uh, 1 is the common factor between 18 and 35. We can say that since 1 is the common factor, we can write here that therefore 18 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Now let us consider the second. It is 15 and 37. 15 and 37. So let us find out the factors of 15 and factors of 37. The factors of 15 are 1 into 15 will give us 15, then 3 into 5 is also 15, 5 into 3 is also 15. Similarly, 37 is 1 into 37 is 37, and 37 into 1 is also 37. So we can see that here also, since common factor is 1, we can say that therefore 15 and 37 are co-prime numbers. Now let us consider the next pair. So we have 30 and 415. So 30 and 450. Now let us find out the factors of 30 and factors of 450. So 1 into 30 will give us 30, then 2 into 15, then 3 into 10, then 5 into 6, and 6 into 5 will give us 30. Similarly, 1 into 415 will give us 415. Then it is not divisible by 2 and 3. So the next number is 5. So it will be 83. 83 into 5 will give us 415. And 83 into 5 into 83 will give us 415, and 83 into 5 will also give us 415. So let us find out the common factor. Common factors are 1. We can see that 1 and 5 are the common factors here. Now since we have more than we have 5 also as a common factor here, so we can say that therefore 30 and 415 are not co-prime numbers. or not a co-prime number. Now, similarly, let us consider the next. So we have 17 and 68. 17 and 68. So find out the factors of 17 and factors of 68. So 1 into 17 will give us 17, then 17 into 1 is again 17. And for 68, we have 1 into 68 will give us 68, then 2 into 34 will give us 68. Then it is divisible by 4 also. So 4 into 17 will give us 68, and 17 into 4 is again 68. Now here the common factors are 1 and 17. So since it has more than one common factor, we can say that these numbers are not co-prime. So therefore 17 and 68 are not a co-prime number. Now let us consider the next example. So we have 216 and 250. 216 and 200 and here it will be let us find out the factors of 200 and factors of 216 and factors of 215. It is 1 into 216, then 2 into 108 will give us 216. Then it is divisible by 3 also, then it will be 72. 3 into 72 will give us 216. Then 4 into it will be 54 will give us 216. 4 5s are 20, and we left with 16, so 4 4s are 16. Okay, now it is not divisible by 5, it is divisible by 6. Since it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it will be also be divisible by 6. So 6 3s are 18, and 6 6 are 36. So it will be 6 into 36. Then it will be 8 into if we divide it by 8, so 8 2s are 16, and we left with 56. So 8 7s are 56. Then if we divide it by 9, so it will be 8 2s are 8 sorry, 9 2s are 18, and we left with 3 36. So 9 4s are 36, and it will be 12 into 18, which will give us 216, and 18 into 12 is also 216. Similarly, 1 into 215 will give us 215. Then if we divide it by 5, so it will be 4 the then and 3 the 43. So 215 and 43 into 5 will give us 215. Similarly, we can say that 215 into 1 will give us 215. Now let us find out the common factors. So we can see that only one the common factor we can write here since one is the only common factor, therefore we can say that 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers. Now 81 and 16. So 81 and 16 factors of 81 and factors of 16. So 1 into 81 is 81, then 3 into 27 is 81. 9 into 9 is also 81. And 27 into 3 is 81. Now for 16, we have 1 into 16. Then 2 into 8. 4 into 4. And 8 into 2 will give us 16. If you look at the common factors, we can say that since 1 is the common factor, therefore 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers. So in this question, we have used the definition of co-prime numbers to identify the numbers which are co-prime. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.